In this video, I'm repping 3 strokes at the ESC tournament. Currently, I'm at 8 over with 9 more holes left to play. Will I be able to clutch up in place? Let's find out.
Whoop! Hole in one! Hole in one!
Okay, 10th hole, par 3, 7 iron.
Uy! Wala ka! Ayun! Buti na lang! Kaliwa. Mabagal. Okay. Bump and run na lang. Bump and run. So, ang bagsak ko halos sa kalahati na. Uy! What the shit? Oo nga eh. Wala, for par na to. Yan sana oh. Ayoko na mag-double.
To save bogey.
Thank you. Safe bogey pa. Thank you.
Okay, next hole. I have a 7 wood. Gonna try to fade it off that tree.
Fade mo. Fade.
Or maybe just hit it straight.
Ay, naka, behind na naman eh. So yung puno na yun. Okay. Bukan natin i-fade.
Second shot, still ways to go, so I still have a 5 wood in hand.
Uy! Okay lang. Okay. Nabuka eh.
Fine.
100.
Third shot, 100 yards, pitching wedge.
Bakit? Open. Isang solid lang, please. Ito malambot oh.
I keep leaving the face open, so I ended up in the bunker.
Bad trip. Oh, kumaba pa. Patay tayo doon, pating par yun no. Bagal po. Bagal.
For my par.
Shit. Bagal. O regular lang.
Okay, to save bogey.
Oh! Hindi ko pa bumali. Double. Shit. Trip double sa par 5.
So I'm already 3 over through 2 on the back 9. Terrible start, but a lot of golf to play.
Uy! Wala ka.
But guess I'm just falling apart.
Oo nga eh. Bilis masyado. So that was a terrible shot by me. I'm just gonna punch up. Hope it doesn't go up.
Now playing my third. Terrible again. Now my fourth.
Ang bagsak ko, doon na.
Now my fifth.
Sit.
My sixth.
Sige pa. Shit. Playing double na naman ata ako.
And my seventh.
Shit. Triple.
Next hole, par 3. I have an 8.
Ayan. Ganda yan.
Ay.
Yes.
Whoop! Hole in one! Hole in one! Shit! Sayang. Akala ko yun na yung time ko.
It almost went in, guys. That would have been my first.
Okay, birdie. Kabawi rin.
Taas ng ano eh.
Sayang eh.
Pag tumeri.
Oo. Hindi nag-backspin kasi, no? Kung nag-backspin, pasok yun.
Safe daw. Huwag na. Okay.
Next hole, par 5. I have a driver.
Ganda. Yun. Perfect. Wow. Perfect. Kaya mo ituwan yun.
Okay. Buti pala nag-driver ako.
Muli na.
Okay, swing is coming back. Second shot, I have a 7 wood.
Fade, ba't di ka nag-fade?
Right. Ayun. Okay na. Good.
Against pala, no? Okay, check mo. Hindi ko nga. 35 yan. Shot. 4-4. Thank you. Alright. Have a chance for bird. Kaliwa pa tayo, no? Malaki ba? May isang ball. Ay, hindi naman left edge. Ah, ganun? Ah, mabilis. Ah.
Dalawang bola.
Ah, ganun.
Mabilis. Pwede yung flat.
Ah, okay. Drop lang, no?
Semi-trap. Semi-trap.
For birdie.
Solid.
Oh! Lumabas ka pa!
Would have been a nice birdie, but it's alright. Next hole, par 4, 5 wood.
Ayan.
Behind lang konti eh. Pero pwede na. At least konti na lang behind.
Okay, next shot, 150 yards. I have a 7 iron. Going for the green. Good shot.
Oh, short. Bumaba ka.
Sa bola lang.
Ah, regular. Pasok na nga natin to para ano.
For par.
Hoy! Malaki.
Honestly, good putt.
Whew, bogey.
Alright, next hole, driver.
Uy, ala.
Nakarapos. Diretso.
Kala ko mag-fade eh.
Okay, just below the trees.
Uy, parang short ako. Nahulog. Ba't ganun? Ang solid naman yung tama ko. Kaso ang hirap niyan. Ha?
Bagal.
Okay.
Diretso lang.
Hirap nito.
Okay, for birdie.
Oop! Sayang. Kaya nga eh. Kaya nga. Di pa na swerte.
Sa kanan.
Kanan.
Lahating grip.
Okay.
Mas malakas sa yung sigaw.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. Oh, shoot. Bagal.
Okay, for par.
Ito.
Oh! Clip out pa. Oo, malakas nga. Pero kung sa gitna yun, pumasok yun. Bogey.
Okay, next hole, driver.
Tawid mo. Ayun, nice. Thank you, thank you. Teka, saan ba aim ko? Pin na. Uy! Hindi pa nag-on. Pero, it's good, it's good, it's good.
Nabagay na konti, hindi naman super.
Okay. So, hindi ko i-charge.
Okay, playing for my third.
Ay, lakas. Oo nga eh. Kala ko mabagal din sa fringe eh. Hindi pala. Sakto lang pala. Saka napati ko yun eh. Regular na lang to.
Mabilis pa rin.
Mabilis. Okay. Mabilis, no?
For my fourth.
Di bumali. Kaya nga, sayang, bogey.
Okay, next hole. I have a 5-wood.
Ganun na naman. Four. Diretsuin ko na lang to. Kabig ko.
Playing my fourth now.
Oo nga eh. Tama na.
And I just bladed that chip.
Shit. Struggle.
Okay, for my fifth.
Please. Ayaw. Nagmakaawa na ako eh.
Alright, that's a double on the last hole. Hopefully, my score isn't that high so I can
Ano tayo
still
dun?
place in the tournament. So we'll find out.
Double.
Scoring gross of 75. 3 over par. Please bring your trophy, Mr. Andrew Perez.
Nice.
So I take it back. Minsan, ang mapugita lang talaga mapugita. Congratulations, Andrew. Congratulations. From Chris Church.
So that's it, guys. Unfortunately, I didn't win anything. My final score was 90, and the one who won first place in Division B scored 87. I was representing 3 strokes in this tournament, but ironically, 3 strokes is what I needed to win the tournament. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you next week. Peace.